We are here in the small glass house. 67 L88. It's an original engine car. Tank sticker, triple diamond certified. Again, this is the smallest of the glass houses. There was formerly a tent with some of the high-end cars over here. These are now glassed in. And lots of little gems in here that I hadn't seen earlier. This is a Bloomington Gold benchmark. Absolutely no reserve. Big Saturday car. The L88 is S239, which is mid-afternoon on Saturday. And this thing's got it all. It's a well-known car. Let's see if there's a buyer for it. Very, very cool. Another Corvette here. That's 254. This is 276 mile Bloomington Gold benchmark certified. So it's unrestored. 71. Leather interior. Very, very nice. Very nice. Turbine wheel covers. And then this one looks like another L88. Again, this is F270. This one's from 69, so unmistakable air cleaner on those. Sold new in Toledo. This is unrestored. There's 6,400 miles on it. Wow. Got the octane tag right here. Some warnings on starting the car up. Being careful. That's all business. This one is all business.